Sup guys, it's your boy Wolf Dog. And we will never make a cat video ever again. I think. I don't know. Maybe. It's sad. But something interesting happened to Boots. And I really want to talk about it. Let's go into it. So you know Boots and Blue? We took them to Ogden without the cage, and they were stuck under the seat. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the story. So I woke up. My big brother told us to go to Ogden, 'cause I don't know why. And then the cats were under the sea for some reason. They almost die. And then we got something to eat, and then we went to Victor's Towers, got something to eat, and then picked up on my big brother's girlfriend. And then we dropped the sister off because they were at school. And then, when we got back home, first we went to Walmart, and we got over there. We got a lot of cat supplies. And that's it. And then when we got home, we put the cats in the room. For some reason, Boots was hissing at Blue. It was like, what the frick? What the hell would they do that? And that's my big brother said, hey yo, Boots is hissing at Blue, and then I think Blue hissed at her back. So then I hissed at her back. He hissed too at her. So yeah, this is the end of the story. So yeah, bye.